entrepreneur's mindset. Think like a winner. Want to build a successful business? It all starts in your mind. Most aspiring entrepreneurs fail, not because of bad ideas, but because of their mindset. Good news! You can rewire your mind for success. Rule number 1: failure equals feedback. Every failure teaches you something, so keep going. Rule number 2: take action now. Perfectionism is procrastination, so start before you're ready. Rule number 3: your network equals your net worth. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. What will you do next? Which mindset shift will you apply first? Comment below. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Want more success tips? Like, follow, and share.